Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are the type of pronouns that we use to represent person, place, animal or thing. There are 7 personal pronouns. In our previous video, we have learnt about 4 pronouns: he, she, it and they. And today we will learn about 3 more pronouns, that is I, we and you. Hello everyone, welcome to RJ Learning Fun. Here, learning is always fun. Let's take a quick recap. First of all, what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that we use in place of nouns. He pronoun is used with any singular male. She pronoun is used with any singular female. It pronoun is used with any singular animal or thing, but they pronoun can be used with all plural persons, animals or things. Let's read some sentences by using the pronoun I, we and you. These are the 3 new pronouns that we are going to learn today: I, we and you. I am Neha. You are Meeta. We are girls. We like birds. I am Anil. Here this Anil is addressing himself as I. You are Ravi. Here Anil is talking to Ravi and calling him you. You are Ravi. We are boy. So we means Anil and Ravi. When Anil wants to talk about Ravi and himself both as a group, he is using the pronoun we. We are boys. We like animals. I am white and brown. You are white and brown. We are ducks. We say quack, quack. So you see that I, we and you, all these 3 pronouns can be used both with persons as well as for animals. I am a lion. Here lion is talking about himself. I am a lion. You are a deer. We are animals. We live in a jungle. When I want to talk about myself, I say pronoun I. When I want to address you, I use pronoun you. And when I want to address you both, then I say you. So you pronoun can be used for both singular as well as plural. For example, you are a good child. You are good children. So you is same with singular as well as plural. And when one or more person is with me, then I use the pronoun we. For example, we are RJ Learning Fun's fan. Let's use all the 7 personal pronouns that we have learned so far and do this exercise. Rewrite the sentences using a pronoun in place of the highlight words. You have to use the personal pronouns in place of these highlighted words. This is my father. My father is a doctor. Here you will have to replace my father with a personal pronoun. So in place of my father, which pronoun will come? He. This is my father. He is a doctor. I am Sanjay. He is Vijay. I and Vijay are students. So which pronoun will you use in place of I and Vijay? We. Yes. We are students. A giraffe has long legs. A giraffe runs fast. In place of giraffe, we will use the pronoun it. It runs fast. This is Suraj. Suraj is holding a bag. Suraj, singular male. So which pronoun? He. This is Suraj. He is holding a bag. These are my friends. My friends play with me. So in place of my friends, we'll use the pronoun they. Mother said to Rajiv, Rajiv should work hard. Who should work hard? Rajiv. So mother is addressing Rajiv. In place of Rajiv, we'll use the pronoun you. You should work hard. This is my mother, singular, female. So she. This is my mother. She is a teacher. The horses are in the field. The horses are jumping. In place of the horses, we'll use the pronoun they, plural. The horses are in the field, they are jumping. Dear students, personal pronouns stand for three persons. First person, second person and third person. So what are these three persons? Here, first person. The first person personal pronoun I and we. So I and we are first person personal pronoun. Represent those speaking. Second person, the second person personal pronoun you, both as singular as well as plural, represent those being addressed. Third person, the third person personal pronouns he, she, it and they represent those who are neither speaking nor being addressed, that is everybody else. So these 7 personal pronouns can be categorized into 3 persons: first person, second person and third person. First person I and we, second person you, and third person pronouns are he, she, it and they. But dear students, our quest does not finish here. Yes, pronouns can be categorized as subject pronouns as well as object pronouns. So what is the subject pronoun and object pronoun? That we will learn in the next video. So stay tuned in and keep watching RJ Learning Fun. Here learning is always fun. Till then, bye. Thank you.